Hello and welcome to Voice Automated Instructional Videos, and right now we're going to add custom vocabulary into Dragon. This is the Dragon bar. It's called the Classic Dragon bar. You may have seen the new Dragon bar, which is the default out of the box for the Dragon Medical Practice Edition 4. We like to interact with Dragon just using the Classic bar since we've been using it for so long. So we're going to go ahead and switch back to Classic Dragon bar in just a minute. But if you do have this bar and you want to access the vocabulary editor, you just click on Tools and then Vocabulary Center and then open Vocabulary Editor. So I'll switch over to the Classic Dragon bar. And now to add custom vocabulary, you just go straight to the vocabulary menu and you click on the pencil and that opens up the editor. So when you click add vocabulary, you can add a word or a phrase. So you could add a person's name. Say for instance, if you had a Polish referring physician and he was Bertowski, you could add in that word like that. You could add in spoken form if different, but it's not necessary. So spoken forms can be added in phonetically and like in such a fashion as this. So once again, it's not always recommended or needed, but in certain situations where the word's just very difficult to for Dragon to understand, we need to give it a little help with a spoken form. So that was the add word or phrase window. So it can be a little confusing, when you first go into this vocabulary menu. So you click on vocabulary, add new word or phrase. So we saw this box, which we brought up from the vocabulary editor. You can go straight here if you don't need to go into the editor and just add the words as you need. Vocabulary, add word, open vocabulary editor, and then you've got the import list of words or phrases. So if you do have a document that has a list of words that you need, you can go ahead and do that and add those words in. So just like a text document, see it says word list files or .text or .xml. So if you have a text file, one word on each line, you can go ahead and click that file and then import it. And we can always help you with that if you need assistance. But just adding regular words, this is very important, because when Dragon misrecognizes a word, it then will sometimes misrecognize words around it as well. So if you want to go directly to adding a word, just click on vocabulary and then add word or phrase, and then we just type in the new word. Say for instance, I'm going to type in Mission Viejo Memorial Hospital, a local hospital, and that's really the way that we want it to appear when we say Mission Viejo Memorial Hospital. We want it to be all capitalized. So I go and I add the word. Once again, you can add drug names, you can add any other type of medical terminology, people's names, anything that's not currently in the vocabulary that Dragon's not getting the word right, you can add it into this dialog. So I click dialog. I could click save, but I could also give it a training. So once I click train, I just say the word as I see it here in the box. Mission Viejo Memorial Hospital. And then I clicked save after that, and it's been saved into my vocabulary. Now I can see the custom vocabulary words that I've created by clicking on the vocabulary menu in the open vocabulary editor. And then I changed the display down at the bottom to custom words. So I've added a few here, but the one that I just added was Mission Viejo Memorial Hospital, which is right here. I could delete that word, I could retrain it, or once again, I could also add another word from this dialog. So I'm going to switch the display back to all words. I'm going to close this, and that's how you add custom vocabulary words to Dragon Medical Practice Edition 4. Thank you for watching.